My first Christmas gift ngayong December. Hello, Penny people! Good morning! Good day to everyone! For today's video, happy weekend muna po sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko lang po i-share dito sa aking video na to yung meron po nagbigay sa akin na gift na isang customized DIY na napakagandang coffee mugs. Dito sa gift po na to ay makikita ko talaga ito yung aking picture at talaga namang pasadya yung aking mugs na to. So, very special. So, let's go at i-open na natin ang aking Christmas gift ngayong December. Ito yung aking first gift na na-receive ngayong December. Yan. Ito, binigay sa akin ito ni ate, I think, last week pa at ngayon ko lang siya na-open. Tadaan! 1, 2, 3. Ito yung aking gift. Yan, may picture. Ang ganda. Thank you so much po kay Ate Mashi Duque sa talaga naman pong napakagandang gift na to. At talaga naman pong well customized at meron picture ko at meron pa ditong saying, what you do today can improve all your tomorrows. Ayan, yung nakalagay dito. So, yan, back to back yung aking picture dito na talaga naman pong well customized. Thank you so much. Well appreciated at so beautiful mugs at talaga naman pong magagamit ko ito. At itong aking gagamitin ang aking DIY customized coffee mugs. Thank you for watching. See you po sa mga next video po. God bless everyone. Ito yung aking pag-share ng aking pong first ever Christmas gift. Thank you for watching.